That's hilarious because not only do I not want to destroy our country, but I want to undo the destruction that secularism has done, paganism has wrought over the last 100 years. I don't want to destroy our country. I want to restore our country. And I understand that just as like when it comes to a human life, in this a human life can only be restored by the gospel of Jesus Christ. In the same way, our nation can only be restored by the gospel of Jesus Christ. I do not want to instill a theocracy, if by that you mean what Michael Rogers was talking about in terms of sacralism. Rather, I want to restore us to biblical principles.